Hello everyone. So this is Radhika Sahu, Assistant Professor of Psychology, Sage University, Bhopal. So today's lecture is about phobia. Let's get into the video. So what do you understand by phobia? My first question would be that. What do you understand from the word? We use this really commonly and very often we use this word, and sometimes most of the time we don't know what is the exact meaning of phobia. So when it comes to psychology, you should know the terminology, what the actually definition is all about. So it's about the excessive and irrational fear or reaction. So basically, um the normal fear is about a few seconds, and you can easily cope up with it, and the normal fears reaction is not that much, doesn't have that much intensity on your physiology. But when it comes to phobia, you may experience a deep sense of dread and panic when you encounter a source of fear. Okay, so fear can be of a certain place, situation, or object. So here the fear we are talking about is the more dreadful one, the more severe one, which impacts your physiological aspects of your body. Some causes would be genetic and environmental cause factors of phobia. So children who have close relatives with an anxiety disorder are at risk. So for example, I can say that genetics can be, if a person or any of your ancestor had any type of mental illness, that person is vulnerable, the future generation is vulnerable to cause any type of mental disorder. So um they can easily catch phobias too, because they are vulnerable to catch any of the diseases, as studies have suggested. Also, when it comes to environmental factors, for example, if there is a person around you who has a fear of, for example, lift, so this person will condition you saying again and again I am talking about the early childhood state, okay, that no, it is really dreadful to go inside a closed lift, or you can stuck there, and they can just feed your mind with all the negativity about their fear. So then you can also develop a fear about or phobia about that particular thing. So there are a lot of phobias. The most common one is agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is a fear of places or situations that you can't escape from. The word itself refers to fear of open spaces. So when you are in a large crowd, trapped outside, for example, in Sundays. Weekend days, you go to public places, there is a lot of crowd because most of the people have off from their work and they go to enjoy their you know time. So you can't avoid that because you have to go, you have to shop for your, there's something necessary, so you have to. But if you have the phobia, you will have difficulty in standing up there, you will feel anxious, you will have symptoms of phobia, like shivering and sweating, etc. So there are many types of phobia. The fear is like, you can just name anything and you can have a phobia of that thing. So there are many. There is um a list which cannot be counted. So aviophobia, dentophobia, hemophobia, arachnophobia, cyanophobia, or ophidiophobia, nitophobia. So these are the phobias I have mentioned here. These are only some few of them, but there are many more. Okay, so I hope this video was useful. See you next time. Thank you.